Hi, we are going to see how to connect the new Faro heating app to a new radiator and to existing radiators. So first of all, we need to give this radiator the Wi-Fi connection through our phone. So we will start the boot mode and we'll find this Wi-Fi network generated by the radiator that we have to connect to. As in the other app, we follow the same process. We go to our Wi-Fi, we check for the available networks, we see the one that coincides with the one in the screen of the radiator, and here we have to add exactly the network where we want to connect, the network you have in your home or your job. This is mine. The password will be your house or home network password. And we'll see that here the screen has changed. We can update it or set it as master. I always recommend to update and set as master. In this case, I will put set master. Okay, done. So we can see that the screen of the radiator will refresh and we see that we have a local connection. This means that the radiator has access to the Wi-Fi network. Now we are going to download Faro's app. So if we come here, we are going to look for Faro. We see what we have. We have Faro control. Okay, no, we don't want Faro control, but we check other Faro possibilities. Okay, Faro control will still be working while we can use both at the same time. Faro heating, there we are. Install. It's only a 3.7 megabyte app, so it's very light. And we open it and we have this simple menu. We can change language. We have English and Spanish right now. And here we have this 3-bar top corner menu with the options. We will add a new installation. So it automatically finds any master radiators that have been connected to the same network. So if you already have in your house an installed radiator or series of radiators from Faro, they will appear here if they are still connected to the same Wi-Fi. In this case, we are going to add a new one, and as far as I remember, the number was 21098. So yes. So it's asking for update the installation service. Yes. And this is our device. You can see that the screen has changed, now it's online, and we see here that we have a new zone with one heater, this one, that is connected locally, and when this globe goes green, means that it's connected remotely. Now we can rename the zone, let's call it office, rename, and we can add different heaters. If we had another heaters, we will see that we have to check for this IDU in the same installation process as in previous Faro control apps. Okay, so let's go back. We don't need it. This will take some time. You see that the heater has been updated, but it's okay. We can add more heaters or more zones from this if we tap here in the cross. But we are going to make a test. We have disconnected the Wi-Fi, so let's go to Office. It should take some time, but now it's green. We see in the screen here that we have 22 degrees, it says 22.6, and 21 is the set point, but we are going to move it 9, so change the 9 here. 50 or 17.5. Sometimes it's a little bit longer because of the connection, but it works. You can see now it's 17.5. Let's change to no frost or anti-frost version, to eco mode 15 degrees, to warm to the economy, that is 19. We can set open windows. You can also set boost from 5 to 95 minutes. We can accept. This is going to be in English, of course. And we can see here how long it takes to go to 0, okay? And also we can program. Okay, so it's deactivated, we can activate, but we have to add different slots. If we press the cross, we start with this simple clock to modify when we want everything to start, for example 4, and at 8, establish. Then we have to change the temperature here, we want it to be 19. Then we can add another slot. It doesn't need to be exactly after the other one, but we can put, for example, 11 and it ends at whatever, 6. And we want it to be like a 17.5, and then we can activate. This goes green and we'll say activated, and we can copy it and paste it in the next day or Friday. So it's a simple way to control all the scheduling and the programs. Today, these are the features we can control with Faro heating. The rest of them, you can still be controlling them from Faro control in your local connection. Thanks.